In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and set up two-factor authentication settings on Hubspot. Keeping your online account secure is more important than ever, and enabling two-factor authentication, or TFA, is a simple yet powerful way to add an extra layer of protection. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to enhance your Hubspot account security with this essential feature. If you don't already have a Hubspot account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along. To get started, head over to the Hubspot website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you'll either see a gear icon or the word Settings. Click on it to open the Settings menu. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Security. This is where Hubspot keeps all the tools you need to strengthen your account's security. Click on Security to dive into these options. Within the Security section, find and select the option that says Set up two-factor authentication. This is the feature that allows you to add that extra layer of security to your account. Once you click on it, HubSpot may ask you to verify your identity. This step ensures that only you, the account owner, can make changes to these critical security settings. Simply follow the prompts to complete this verification. Next, you'll need an Authenticator app on your mobile device. If you don't already have one installed, now's the time to download one. Popular options include Google Authenticator and Authy, both of which are free and easy to use. These apps are essential because they generate the time-sensitive codes required for two-factor authentication, making it much harder for unauthorized users to access your account. Once you've got the Authenticator app ready, follow the instructions provided by HubSpot to link the app to your account. Typically, this involves scanning a QR code with your Authenticator app, which securely connects it to your HubSpot account. If you don't see the QR code right away, don't worry, just carefully follow the on-screen directions to complete this step. After linking the Authenticator app, confirm that the connection was successful. This usually means entering a code generated by the app into the HubSpot setup page. Once you've entered the code, you'll be prompted to complete the setup process. Take your time to ensure everything is accurate. Finally, double-check that two-factor authentication is now active on your account. With this feature enabled, anyone trying to log into your account will need not just your password, but also the time-sensitive code generated by your Authenticator app. This makes it significantly harder for anyone else to gain unauthorized access, even if they somehow get hold of your password. And that's it. You've successfully set up two-factor authentication on your HubSpot account. This extra security measure gives you peace of mind knowing your account is well protected. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.